Craving something colorful, creamy, and irresistibly healthy? Today we're layering up not one but two fruity yogurt jars that are as beautiful as they are nourishing. A refreshing mango jar and a juicy cherry jar perfect for breakfast, a midday snack, or even a guilt-free dessert. No cooking, no fuss, just layer, chill, and enjoy. We begin with 3 superfoods that your body will love: fiber-rich oats to keep you full and fueled, antioxidant-packed cherries to fight inflammation, and vitamin-loaded mangoes to boost immunity and brighten your skin. Now grab 2 clean jars. We're about to create something magical. In the first jar, add freshly chopped cherries. In the second, sweet and juicy mango cubes. Then, using a muddler or the back of a spoon, gently press the fruits. This releases their natural juices and builds a flavorful base for our oats. Now add half a cup of rolled oats into each jar, a perfect dose of whole grains that'll keep you energized all day. Pour in a splash of water to soften the oats quickly, and top with a generous spoonful of dairy-free yogurt for creaminess and gut health. Drizzle some maple syrup for natural sweetness, or feel free to use honey, dates, or any sweetener you love. Let's build one more round of goodness. Layer the fruits again, then oats, creamy yogurt, and a final touch of sweetness. Every ingredient plays a role: fruits for hydration and glow, oats for lasting energy, yogurt to support digestion, and a light sweet touch to keep cravings at bay. This simple layering creates balance, a mix of textures and flavors in every bite. The softness of oats, the creaminess of yogurt, and the bursts of fruity freshness make it feel like a treat, but one your body will thank you for. And the best part? You can prep these in just 10 minutes the night before. Let your fridge do all the work while you rest and wake up to a breakfast that's not just ready, but radiant with nutrition. Because when health looks this good sticking to, it becomes effortless. Gently press each layer so the flavors can soak and blend overnight. As they chill, the oats absorb the fruit juices and yogurt, creating a soft, dreamy texture that's naturally delicious by morning. No cooking, no mess, just pure nourishment in every spoon. Whether it's a busy weekday breakfast, a post-workout recharge, or a healthy late-night treat. These overnight oats are your go-to jar of wellness. They're fiber-rich, protein-packed, and loaded with natural goodness. The kind of breakfast your body actually thanks you for. Healthy, refreshing, and so easy to make, this jar is your perfect start to a vibrant day. Loved this recipe? Hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more nourishing bites.